so we've had a bit of a look on the outside. Tried to get some nice angles. Tried. I think some of them have come out alright, to be honest. I've just had a look back and I thought, oh yeah, well, that looks quite good. I'm coming for you, Chris from Pro Horizon Farming Photography in VR. I'm coming. Or Steven Spielberg, you know, watch out. So I thought I'd put you in this view for a little bit, because I don't do this view very often, and I think some people like it. So you get a bit more of a view of what's occurring in the cab. Well, yeah. So that's it. Yes, at the minute I'm doing just about 9k, and that's about right, really. I mean, it's making a nice job at that, and it's not bunging up. It's not the implement's fault that it bungs up, it's the soil. It's really difficult to work with. The only thing that never used to bung up, we had some Simba discs and press, and the Simba discs were that massive and that far apart that you almost had to have a tree trunk, you know, to stop it from to bung it up, to stop them from turning. But they don't make as nice, a finer, more as a precise a job as these. They were a bit you know, you could rip through a forest with them, sort of. they weren't very delicate. But, so yeah, I get to the end, and like I say, you can turn to the right with them in the floor. Only, you know, not very steep, not very tight. But I always just lift them out. So I've got them on these buttons here. So I press that bottom button, and that lifts them out. Then I'll press my auto steer when I'm back on my line. Press that top button there, that'll lower them back in. Shove my multi-controller forward. And when I get this sandy bit, I'm just going to ease them up a little bit. So you can maybe see on the camera, there's a real sand bank that runs straight through the middle of this field. Right, so I've watched that bit back, and apparently I was talking about sand. So sand is brilliant. You can use sand for building. You can play with it. I've bought my little daughter a sand pit in the back garden, which is not a pit. It's a plastic bowl that's full of very expensive sand. I should have really, yeah, I've missed a trick. I could have come to this field and filled it up from this field. But, oh, come on, John, you're meant to be a Yorkshireman, you're meant to be able to do things like that, save yourself a bit of money. Anyway, about sand. Yeah, so I'm just going like I said outside, just going like steady, because it's just getting the soil to flow through it. And I want to make a proper job, because, you know, I want to do it right. It wants to be right, it wants to be level, wants to be as clean as we can get it. Because I know it'll green up, it will, the rubbish will grow through. There's no question that once I've drilled it, the rubbish will grow up, but it's how much will grow. Like all these weeds I'm taking out now, all these little bits, they're all one less than would be there. And depending on how quickly the grass gets away, depends on how quickly we can get in here to top it. Because the thing about grass, you know, you cut grass and it just gets thicker and keeps growing. But with most weeds, apart from docks are a little bit different. You top them and you keep topping them, and that's it. They lose the energy and they're done for. But docks are a little bit different. Docks, you have to keep going out and out and out and out, because they have these massive tap roots with so much energy stored inside them. And when you top a dock, it's like coppicing it. It just throws up another tiller, and you chop that and it'll throw another one up. You've got to keep doing that constantly, and have it so it's fighting for the nutrients from other things. to slowly wheedle the energy out of them so they die. And that's why our Quick Up is such a good tool, because it gets the taproot out in a wanna completely, puts it on top and it dries out. Docks are a bit like the hobnob of the biscuit world. Like hobnobs, you can, like Peter Kay said, like, you know, the Royal Marines of the biscuits, you can just keep dunking them, and they just keep wanting more and more and more. They never flop off. They're not like a rich tea biscuit where you have to go poof, like as quick as you can. You can't even really effectively dunk a rich tea biscuit, really. You have to just whoop, and then quickly eat it, or else you're done for. Yeah, this is typical Johnny 1388 stuff, gone from talking about docks to talking about biscuits. But yeah, so that docks are like the hobnobs. You could leave it in a cup of tea for an hour and come back to it and it'd be fine, you know, it'd be crispy. Yeah, and docks are a bit like that. They're indestructible, really. Which is hats off to them, because they've evolved in a way to reproduce successfully. But yeah, so hobnobs and docks have got a lot in common. Yeah, so it's fairly easy, simple stuff, this. So once you've got the disc set right, the correct depth, you're not too deep, you're not too shallow, you've got the roller set right, so they're nice and level, everything's running level. I've got my speed matched sort of to the soil conditions. Like I say, if I was on some strong land, I'd be off like a scolded cat. Woof, I'd be gone. But in here, you can't. You just can't. The track, the Puma at the minute, we are at 1080 revs per minute, and it is using 35% of its engine power, so nothing, you know, it's just nothing to it. It's like a walk in the park for this old girl. I will be sad when this tractor goes. I will. Not have a while left yet, I think. So right, I'll leave it there. So thank you very much for watching, guys. I think this one will be out after the competition video. In fact, I know it will be out after the competition one. So I'll probably by then got some footage filmed of me using those new discs you saw at the start of the video, and hopefully some combining, because as of today, the 2nd of August 2018, we have just started our harvest, our cereal harvest. We're just on the first of the winter wheat today, and I think Chris from Pro Horizon is going to come and do a bit of filming of it, so look out for his channel. Also, please feel free to like my Facebook page, because when I'm really busy, like we are at the minute, when I'm sort of, you know, I'm a bit where you going, GPS? Right, we'll go that way. It does this sometimes. Yeah, I do regularly put things on my Facebook page, because it's a really easy way for me to like keep in touch with everybody. And since YouTube's got rid of the old messaging thing on YouTube, I can't send or receive messages from anybody on YouTube now. So Facebook is the best. If you want to get in contact with me, I've been very lax at the minute of actually replying to people, because I've been so busy and struggling for time. But it's the best way to like get in touch with me. If you send me a message, I really will get back to you. It just might take a little bit of time. So yeah, so feel free to like the Facebook page. Feel free to like the farm's Facebook page as well, Polybell Organic. I'll put all the links in the description, and also Chris's channel, Pro Horizon Farm Photography and VR. I'll put a link to Chris's channel, because all those 3 channels, 3 Facebook pages and 3 YouTube channels are all to do with this farm, you know, and you can see other jobs that I'm not doing. But yeah, so if you want to see a bit more from me, I understand there's a lot of you, or some of you, that haven't got Facebook, and that's absolutely fine. I'm just saying, if you have got it and you watch, you know, you follow my channel, please feel free to like it, because it's a really easy way for me to just put the odd picture on, put the odd little silly video on. I did a silly video the other day that some of you's probably seen. Yeah, anyway, I'm waffling again, as I always do. Come on, John, you're meant to be ending the video. It's going to be half an hour long, this one, if you're not careful. So, alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye, bye 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 bye.